So if I ask you, can you say some dialogues of mine? If you are preparing for any competitive exam of computer science, just go to exampreptool.com, right? Just go to exampreptool.com. So on the home page you will see courses, course categories. I think you can, if you are preparing for GATE CSE, you can take the GATE CSE admissions, GATE DA also, and software development course also, like web development, app development course. And if you are preparing for placement course also available, right? Advanced placement course, basic placement course, right? Next one is the revision courses also there, test series also there. If you are preparing for ISRO, DRDO, any exam of computer science, right, you will find out. I will guide you A to Z, right? In which month what subject should be done, right? When it should be completed, when you have to do test series, all the things are available. Rank improvement course, everything is available. Let's go for GATE CSE. Suppose you want to go for GATE CSE, go there. In the GATE CSE, you will find out. In the GATE CSE, you will find out. See, GATE CSE 2025 purpose full course, right? This is the 1 year course. GATE CSE 2026 purpose full course, right? It is the 2026 purpose 2 years course. Next one, GATE CSE and DSA, both you can manage. GATE CSE also, GATE DSA also, right? GATE CSE, DSA both, so that you can do placements. Right? Placements also you can easily handle. Right, GATE CSE and DSA course. This is for 2025. It is the 2026. So that you no need to lose placements. GATE also you can do, and DSA also, both combinedly. Right. Next one is only DSA course. Right. Suppose you are preparing for only placements, you can go for only placement course. Right. So it is going to be advanced DSA course. Now you can go for GATE CSE, GATE DA, and DSA. So I think you will get the ultimate advantage here. Right, because 3 things you are trying, right? If you keep more efforts, you will be successful within less time, right? GATE CSE, GATE DA, and DSA course, right? So this is the for 2026. It is the 2025 people. Next one, advanced GATE exam, right? Advanced GATE exam or PSU exam mentorship program. If you want only mentorship program, you can come here, right? This is the 1 year course, mentorship only. Next one, mentorship course for at 6 months. Next one, you can go for, right? Some people are writing IIIT Hyderabad exam. For that also, we have crash course. So all the things are there. All the things. GATE CSE, right? Next one, GATE DA also. All possibilities are there. Software development also. Placement courses also. What I need to say is, if you are preparing for any competitive exam, my suggestion is, right? So just visit the exampreptool.com. If you think any course is suitable to you, you can go ahead. I will guide you every day. I have a month-wise plan to you. I have a week-wise plan to you, because I guided approximately 25 lakh students from the last 15 years. From the last 15 years, I guided more than 25 lakh students. I know what are the shortcuts possible. I know what mistakes you will do. I know, right, what is the correct path for that. Everything I will take care. Right? So next one, suppose assume that one of the course you selected. Suppose in that one of the course you selected, say this, view details, you will find out all the details, right? So all the right course curriculum will be there. Next one is instructors are there. Next one is lecture list also there, right? Suppose assume that I clicked one of that, right? Digital logic design. So these are all the classes. Are there. Digital logic design, right? Database management system. These all are there. So what I want to say is everything available. Let's see how many users.
Okay. Buffalo, one thing, first and foremost, slap yourself.
Slap yourself.
Jump from the ground floor.
Jump from ground floor.
And if you are feel sleepy, slap the person near to you so that they can slap against you, so you can wake up. And a lot of things, sir. Just now I didn't get, but I get a lot. Go to the 10th floor and jump.
Okay. Four things you said.
Okay.
I thought at least you will say 10.
The first subject I took Algo and DS. So at the 2022 June, Jan and February, I took those subjects. So it's almost 2 years. So I forgot a lot of things. And that's all I get, sir. That's all I remember.
I said like this, those people who are not solving this problem, they will marry, they are a dog first of all. Afterwards, they will marry one more pig. They both will produce small elephants.
Okay, sir. And one more dialogue you said, every pig will marry. So don't focus on the love and marriage. Focus on your career. That thing that you said.
Yeah, somehow every dog will marry.
Yeah, somehow every dog marry. Somehow every pig marry. You mentioned the pig, that word.
Okay, next.
And yeah, I sometimes that dialogues are coming.